any garden that you have set up to give our pollinators, so your bees, your butterflies, birds, bats, flies, beetles, they're all pollinators, a place to come and get food, either during migration or throughout the summer. Well, getting started with a pollinator garden is pretty easy. Just some general planting tips, and it goes for any garden, but especially for pollinators. You want to keep it simple. You don't want to have something that is going to be beyond your ability and your time to be able to keep up with. Utilize information resources. There are lots of resources out there, both local, online, for pollinators and how to plant for them. Native species you can use for your areas. You want to try to have something blooming from May to October, or whenever your season starts. The first energy footprint covers a lot of territory. Try to buy local, especially if you have a local nursery who grows their own stock. That stock is already acclimatized to your area.